Tuesday afternoon at Traverse Mountain, Utah. And this wasn't just any Tuesday. Engines rolled in before the sunset. Classics, customs, modern beasts, each one with its own story, its own passion under the hood. What I love about these events is how they bring together all kinds of people, but with one thing in common: the love for cars. I saw BMWs tuned with precision and some custom builds that really made you stop and admire the details. But the best part isn't just the engines. It's to share the stories, the friendships, the passion behind every build. How a rusty shell became a showpiece under the Utah sky. If you missed it, here's a glimpse. And if you were there, maybe you'll spot yourself in these clips. Tuesdays should be like this more often. See you at the next car show. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more.